Think you need $100,000 to buy your first investment property? Nope. Today, we'll show you how to turn your small savings, or even a nearly empty wallet, into your first income-generating property. No lottery wins or rich uncles required. Most beginners think buying property is for the rich. But the truth? Anyone can start with the right strategy, a little hustle, and maybe a few sacrifices, like living on instant noodles for a bit. Let's break it down step by step. The biggest secret in real estate? You don't need all the money yourself. Banks and investors exist for a reason. Many first-time buyer programs let you purchase with as little as 5% down. That means a $200,000 property can cost you just $10,000 up front. And yes, you can borrow or partner for that too. Don't start with a dream mansion. Start with a duplex, triplex, or condo. Even better, try house hacking. Live in one unit, rent the others, and let your tenants pay your mortgage. It's one of the fastest ways to own property, even if you're short on cash. Here's where you can make money quickly. Buy ugly properties. Not haunted ugly, just in need of some TLC. They're cheaper, and a little renovation can boost the value massively. Even simple upgrades like paint or new flooring can raise the price and rent. Don't ignore free money. Government programs offer first-time buyers grants, tax credits, and low-interest loans. It's like getting a cheat code for real estate. If you're not using these, you're leaving cash on the table. The biggest mistake: waiting for the perfect time. Interest rates change, markets move, but people will always need a place to live. Stop just scrolling Zillow and make a plan to get your first property. The sooner you start, the sooner you profit. So, to buy your first investment property, even on a small budget, leverage other people's money, start small, buy fixer-uppers, take advantage of government programs, and most importantly, start now. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, drop a like, and tell us in the comments, what's holding you back from buying your first property? Banks, lenders, and even private investors exist to help you buy property. Why? Because they make money.